Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now let's have a talk about the comparison of hosting or website builder versus WordPress with AI. Now I love these two websites, so I'm gonna make a video for you guys to compare. So once the time comes that you're gonna use one of each, you're gonna have a reference of which one's better, which one is gonna be a good fit for your project. So we're gonna use this one, Hostinger, and then Blueshot for WordPress. All right. So basically, let's start with hosting a website. What are the pros when using this one? First is going to be that it's going to be the ease of use, extremely beginner friendly. Drag and drop editor with AI design tools that can instantly generate full websites based on a few inputs. And this is going to be the pricing. And I think there's going to be a 30-day money back guarantee, means it's a risk-free guarantee option. Single is going to be $3 per. I think this is RS, that's not dollars, sorry about that. And with that being said, the business is 899. Moving forward for that one, it has a speed pros, meaning that it's a very fast setup. It's already user friendly, just drag and drop, and also it's gonna be fast. It has an all-in-one website platform, meaning hosting, domain, SSL, and website builder are bundled together. No need for separate providers, meaning there is no need for third-party applications. All right. With this one, I also have this pricing if you want to check on one of each. For example, 1 month in web hosting, agency hosting, and so much more for this one. Now, speaking about the AI tools, for this one, Hostinger, it has an AI writer, an AI SEO assistant, an AI heat maps, and an AI logo maker included. Now, for the price, taking about this one, I'm gonna talk about the pricing later, but I think Hostinger is very affordable, usually $3 with promotions per month. You're seeing this one, this is going to be rupee, I think. Let me just check this one if I can change it to United States. So we can check it by dollars, and there we have it. Only $3 per month, guys. That's 75% discount, and it has a 3 months free. Now let's talk about WordPress. So the pros for this one, that would be ultimate flexibility. Also, they have an AI enhancements. The thing that I've noticed here in WordPress is that AI is much more bundled here. There's a lot of AI going on in WordPress. So scalability, large ecosystem, and open source are gonna be the cons. Or sorry, the pros of this one, WordPress versus Hostinger. And the cons. Let's go back on Hostinger. For the cons of Hostinger, it has limited flexibility, customization limits, and ownership, because it has a slightly less control over your website's infrastructure. And the cons for WordPress is basically that there is a learning curve, meaning you have to be a little bit more advanced when you're using WordPress. It has a maintenance required, meaning you are responsible for updates, backups, and sometimes fixing plugins conflicts, meaning that you have to be at least a beginner level in coding. All right? Anyway, the pricing is pretty much the same. However, in WordPress, it has a tendency to cost the raise or rise the costs. So, which is better? It depends on what you need. Basically, if you have the goal of such a simple, fast, and affordable site without tech hassle, of course, guys, go for this one, Hostinger. But if you want to build a powerful, fully custom site, go for WordPress. Basically, that's it. If you want to be advanced, go for WordPress. Beginner, go for Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.